In this tutorial, we will see how to use Microsoft PPT to map with Google Slides effectively. For this, I have created a Microsoft PPT for data mining. I'm just opening the Microsoft PPT through Google Slides. For this, I am opening a blank presentation. Choose the file option and open. Here you just choose upload option. Here I am selecting a file of mine from the desktop. I am just opening. I have uploaded the Microsoft PPT to Google Slides. Now I have got all my data mining PPT of Microsoft account to Google Slides. Now go to the file menu and click on Publish to the web. Make your content visible to anyone by publishing it. I'm clicking the Start Slideshow as soon as the player loads. By clicking Publish, here you have got the link for Google Slides. You just copy it and share it using any type of accounts here.